Hey guys, oh, that's recording.
Alright YouTube, in this video I'm going to be making the front bracket for the surf brace. So I'm going to make a piece that goes underneath here that the surf brace is attached to. I've already started over here on the mill, and I believe my cameraman is just about ready to show up and do his job.
Hey, Joel, can I ride the orange bike?
Aren't you going to record video for me?
Yeah.
Okay. I've already started making the piece. It's over there in the mill. I've taken some measurements, and I guess we'll just pick up where we left off.
The cameraman's not going to talk this video.
Except for then. And all the other times.
I'm just going to say I'm recording again, but I'm really not.
It's pretty gross. Keegan got to experience his first Jet Ski Brothers video today, and it just so happens to be where they're hucking a jet ski down a hill.
And then they smash it in half with a hammer. Hatchet. What do you guys think Joel should build if I give him $1 million to buy his bike?
What you mean is, if you bought my bike for $1 million, what should I build with the $1 million?
Yeah. You could buy a jet ski, build bikes, build up the Mr. Bean car.
Yeah. What did you change your YouTube channel name to?
My name is Joel's Cameraman.
You should have changed your name to something like Jet Ski Brothers #1 fan or something.
Or Joel Arsenal's #1 fan.
Yeah. So there. Now I gotta cut a bunch of material off of it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet.
Is it?
Trying to think what I can do to make this look neat.
Oh, this is my favorite video.
this is what I have come up with so far. The bolts are going to come all the way through. Right now I just have short bolts, but the bolts are going to come all the way through, and then I'll have nuts. So I'll probably actually run them up through and put nuts on the top up here. But this is what it looks like now. I'm going to bring it to the sander. I could just use it as it is, but I think I'm going to remove a little bit of weight from it because it's a little bit of overkill. So I'm going to throw it on the scale, see how much it weighs, and then take some weight off it and re-weigh it. The before weight, 6.8 ounces or 195 grams. Let's see what we can do. Alright YouTube, after a little more time on the mill, I've milled out a couple slots in the end, in the back and the bottom, and now we're going to put it back on the scale and see what the weight difference is. See if this past couple hours have been worth anything. I think it was 6.8. It is now 4.6 ounces or 131 grams. All right, let's do a test installation and see how this works. For those of you who are not clear on what I'm doing, basically I'm going to use the bolts that go through to hold on the hood hinge to hold some heim joints or tie rod ends that are going to be inserted in the end of this carbon fiber tube. There's going to be one on each side, and it's going to go from here up to here and attach to this bracket that I made in an earlier video. So there will be a heim joint at each end, and one will be left-hand thread, one will be right-hand thread, so I can basically adjust these to preload them a little bit. And this will double as a place to attach some of the lines and stuff. It'll look cool, and it will hopefully stop some of this cracking from happening on my hull. X2s are famous for breaking here and here. Well, this video worked out a lot better than the fuel tank modification, which was the last video, but it still did take quite a bit of time. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing next, but hopefully in some upcoming videos I'll actually be taking this thing out on the water. BJ has been working on his XP, and he also got another new Sea-Doo, so maybe that will be in an upcoming video. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I got the bracket all finished and it turned out better than I thought it would. It's fairly light and very sturdy, so hopefully I get the stuff in that I need to make the actual surf brace. That's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Man, that's cool.